Ace of Vegas, the Ace of Vegas.
And welcome back to Ace of Vegas. Ace here. Sorry I've been away for a while, guys. Work and holidays and things like that got really crazy. I think we're going to be back on schedule starting next week. And I wanted to start off the new year right. We're doing our first Twitch stream here. So it's going to be going on in about, it's about 5 o'clock right now. So we're going to be up in an hour doing a Twitch stream. I'm going to see if I can simulcast it with YouTube as well. If not, I'll just go ahead and record it too and see if I can go ahead and put up the stream or at least some highlights from it and all that good type of stuff, and we'll go ahead and go from there. But it's going to be my first Twitch stream. I'd love to have, anybody who's anybody on there too. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description box below, but it's going to be twitch.tv/AceOfVegas, and I think we're just going to play, maybe some of my Konami slots, a little bit of blackjack, maybe some video poker, that sort of stuff, just from the comfort of the kitchen over here, because I'm making some tea, maybe tossing a little bourbon in there. We're going to have a good time, so 21 and up stream is just like the show. It's usually like a 21 and up sort of thing. But if you just want to come by, hang out, say hi, we'll be streaming for like an hour or two, and then go from there. So hope to see you then. Enjoy the outro too. I got a new theme song, as you can see, and a new outro. So let me know what you think of those. And yeah, but till then, Ace of Vegas signing out. Happy spinning, you guys. Can't wait to spin with you.